We bring you the latest updates from the Pna Newsroom. Japan has offered assistance to the Philippines after a magnitude 7 quake struck northern Luzon. During the situation briefing led by the President, Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. in Bangued, Alvara, and the RRMC Assistant Secretary Bernardo Rafaelito Alejandro IV reported that Japan offered to provide emergency supplies and assistance in search, rescue, and retrieval operations. China, the United States of America, and France, as well as several international organizations, earlier expressed their readiness to send aid to the affected individuals following the earthquake. The Philippine Red Cross has mobilized its personnel to help victims of the magnitude 7 earthquake in Ilocos Sur. The Red Cross distributed face masks and hygiene kits to evacuees at the Regional Evacuation Center in Vigan City. PRC Chairperson Richard Gordon reminded the public to continue following health and safety protocols even inside evacuation centers due to the threat of COVID-19. Earlier, Gordon ordered all Red Cross chapters to conduct an assessment in their areas of responsibility following the earthquake. In our foreign news, thousands of people have begun receiving the monkeypox vaccine in Spain and France. Doctors are targeting the first at-risk groups, including gays and transgender women. According to the World Health Organization, monkeypox can be spread from person to person through sexual contact, kissing, hugging, and through contaminated clothing, towels, and bed sheets. Last week, the WHO declared a global emergency due to monkeypox, as it reports over 18,000 cases across 78 countries. It noted that 98% of cases are among men who have sex with other men. WHO Director General Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus said the outbreak can be contained as long as countries, communities, and individuals take the risks of the virus seriously. The Philippine National Police warned communist insurgents not to interfere with police forces in disaster response operations. PNP officer in charge Vicente Dano Jr. insisted that police are going to disaster areas not for combat but to aid earthquake victims. He said the transport of relief goods is important to address the current lack of food and clean drinking water, especially in evacuation centers. Dano made the statement during the send-off activity to a group of 43 cops carrying food, water, and desalination equipment. The provincial government of Lanao del Sur assures of an affordable and accessible healthcare facility with the establishment of health office in their area. The details from Claire Gighe.
The Integrated Provincial Health Office in Lanao del Sur opened its new building in pursuit of providing quality health services in the province. IPHO Chief Dr. Alina Derminalang said this would contribute to realizing the vision of the IPHO to be a model health organization in providing high-quality, excellent, and responsive health services to its constituents in a highly functional and resilient health facility. For that, he thanked the Bangsamoro government alongside the Ministry of Health for providing funds for the construction of the building.
This building actually, to us, is a testament of the BARM government and the Chief Minister himself, Ahod Balawag Ibrahim's genuine commitment to ensure the delivery of accessible, available, and quality health services to the Bangsamoro. And of course, the commitment of the entire BARM government to uplift the lives of our constituents.
The IPHO chief also conveyed his thanks to the provincial government for implementing the project and providing the 1,000 square meter lot where the structure was erected. In response, the provincial government assured its continued support for the IPHO's advocacy to provide universal health care for Bangsamoro.
Makakaasa ka na kami ay magbibigay ng efficient, effective, and economical assistance in the implementation of health services program ng IPHO LDS.
The establishment now houses its technical, training, and administrative offices as well as its emergency management unit and disease surveillance unit. For Pna Newsroom, Claire Gighe of the Philippine Information Agency, Lanao del Sur.
That's the latest and the biggest stories from the Pna Newsroom. I am Stephanie Sevillano. Good day.